Today we are looking at the LEOBOG A98 wireless mechanical keyboard. With its compact design, backlit keyboard with a scroll knob, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, or USB-C wired modes, the A98 offers a range of features that make it an attractive option. The keyboard features a compact, minimalist design in creamy and green, which complements any desktop or laptop setup. The mechanical gaming keyboard is constructed of plastic and features a 5-layer internal structure that provides sound dampening and shock-absorbing properties. Its compact 96% layout saves space while also featuring a number pad, making it more than just a gaming keyboard. The keyboard measures 15 3/4 inches long by 5.5 inches wide. It is approximately 1 3/4 inches high at the front and 1 1/4 inches at the back. If the keyboard feet are used, it's approximately 2 1/4 inches tall in the front. Each keystroke is accurately registered with N-key rollover, even when multiple keys are pressed simultaneously, and macro programming is supported. The mechanical keyboard offers 3 connection options: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. These options let you use it across multiple setups and devices, pair up to 5 devices, and switch between them, making it ideal for gaming. The A98 boasts 16 dynamic RGB lighting effects and 16.8 million color options. Additionally, the intuitive knob lets you adjust the backlit brightness and speed, adjust the volume, or scroll through modes. The scroll knob on the side of the keyboard for RGB lighting effects is a great feature. The knob's location enhances the aesthetics and adds more functionality to the keyboard. It has storage for the dongle on top, but using that space for an LED screen would have been even better. The LEOBOG A98 offers a massive 8,000 mAh battery, delivering weeks of use on a single charge. It can deliver up to 38 hours with the RGB on and up to 800 hours with the RGB off. The mechanical keyboard features a dedicated hot swap PCB that lets you easily change 3-pin or 5-pin switches, with no soldering required. It offers unmatched flexibility by supporting MX-style switches from any brand, allowing mixing and matching. It does not look, feel, or sound like a cheap keyboard. So if you are in the market for a wireless mechanical keyboard that combines form and function, the A98 is definitely worth considering. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.